Sure. Jock Merrigan and Josh Semler, Urban Habitats, and we won the award for Alteration Edition over $1 million.
Look, we're very pleased and we're very grateful. We've got a great team and we're sort of trying to be prominent and be articulate in this space, and this is something we're trying to do, so to be recognised in that space is really rewarding for us.
I think the best part was the rewarding part where we actually were able to find a beautiful Victorian villa behind a very ugly bungalow, which our clients didn't recognise. So as part of our build process was to peel back the old bungalow to reveal a beautiful sandstone villa, and then to deal with a client who was living overseas during COVID to then come back and see the home for the first time when it was completed, which was amazing.
I'm not going to answer that. Can we do something a little bit different? Why have we deserved it?
I think, in fairness, our approach in the first instance to deal with a client that didn't recognise the opportunity in the home, which was the sandstone villa behind a bungalow, to find that a diamond in the rough as such, but also, in fairness, what the home presented like, dealing with a client who was remote the entire time, and to thoroughly exceed their expectations on their return. So there's multitude of reasons, but I think that's a couple.